We want to find the following indefinite integrals using an appropriate substitution. Part A, the integral of 3x times 5x squared minus 1 cubed. Part B, 3x squared times exponential of negative x cubed. And in part C, the integral of natural logarithm of x raised to the fifth over x. So let's start with part A, the integral of 3x times the third power of 5x squared minus 1. So here we see that the candidate to be the new variable is the expression inside parentheses, because the derivative of that expression inside the